And so the question is, how do we meditate? And I saw a quote from Jaap Sahib, and he was asking the question, how do we meditate? And I thought, not exactly sure how to answer that question. I think probably quiet your thoughts down, sit still, feel relaxed, etc. So kind of gave the basic answer. And he had told me one time that there's one person in 3HO who can meditate, and he can only do it sometimes, but he has the ability to merge his finite consciousness into the infinite consciousness. And I asked this person the question of how do you meditate to see if he could describe to me how to meditate. And he did something like what I would have done. And so I said, well, let me tell you what I learned. And when I explained it to him, he said, I couldn't have explained it that way, but that's exactly what I do.